Vice President Mike Pence making the rounds this weekend,
You see a president who's in the promise-keeping business.
backing up President Trump after his comments about respecting Russian President Vladimir Putin.
Putin's a killer. A lot of killers. We got a lot of killers. Why, you think our country's so innocent? Do you think our country's so innocent?
Pence was pressed to explain Trump's comments.
I expect he's always going to continue to be candid with the American people, but what you have in this president is an absolute determination to re-engage the world.
Pence put this spin on President Trump's tweet about the so-called judge, as he put it, who suspended the immigration ban.
Well, look, the president of the United States has every right to criticize the other two branches of government, and we have a long tradition of that in this country.
But is this a constructive way to do it?
I think people find it very refreshing that they not only understand this president's mind, but they understand how he feels about things. He expresses himself in a unique way.
And when the president says this about Iran's behavior and the nuclear deal President Obama struck,
They follow our planes, they circle our ships with their little boats, and they lost respect because they can't believe anybody could be so stupid as to make a deal like that.
Pence translates.
What we're seeing here is hostile action, belligerent action being supported by or taken by the Iranians, and we're just not going to put up with it anymore.
The idea that Pence softens Trump's sharp edges has become a punchline.
I love you, Mike. You're the reason I'm never going to get impeached.
Of course, they haven't always been in lockstep.
It's a rigged election.
As running mates, Trump and Pence split on many issues, including this one.
I've said before that we'll certainly accept the outcome of this election.
Do you want Mr. Trump to make that clear?
But in the
He hasn't
20
said
days,
that. Right.
well, he said it in the first debate.
And then he took it back.
Well, he said it in the first debate, folks.
Followed the next day by this.
I will totally accept the results of this great and historic presidential election if I win.
When audio of Donald Trump bragging about sexual assault surfaced,
Grab him by the
sources told CNN Pence considered dropping off the ticket, but ultimately Trump's defender-in-chief stood by him.
When he said on national television he wasn't proud of it, he was embarrassed by it, I do believe that he expressed himself straight from his heart to the American people.